hitting your tire.
It's broken. Fuck that thing.
It broke again?
Yep. I got right there, dude. Pull it.
Here, push me, push me. Yeah, I'm good.
You gotta put it fast. I'm gonna ride you. Your cable's stuck on us.
The good old tuck and roll.
That's what you gotta do?
Huh?
Your seat's crooked.
I know.
That's what you gotta do, fool?
Just tuck and roll, yeah.
Your camera's fine and everything?
Yeah, fuck. Bars are
I would've fell
crooked
with
too.
a shit face first. I'd get hurt, huh?
My wrist.
You alright, puto?
Yeah. When I gave you the extra push, I fucked myself.
Hey, we gotta watch that video. We gotta watch that video. Oh yeah!
Good fall, bro.
Good fall, son. Way to teach us how to fall.
Still going for the team.
So drop and roll.
Stop, drop, and roll.
Come on, buddy.
Apart from my wrist, that's all I fucked myself. That wasn't bad. Hey, I got you going pretty fast though. Hey, if I would have tried to give you that extra push too,
One more push, baby. Come on.
I would have been alright.
Hell yeah.
But I had to fuck myself.
I went the wrong way, too. Well, Lester, push him a lot. Hey, don't crash into a fence, Lester.
Not that red either.